In the expansive realm of tool innovation, there exist trailblazers whose contributions have indelibly shaped the industry. From humble beginnings to global recognition, these visionaries have fundamentally altered the way we work and build today. Join us as we pay homage to the pioneering inventors who have left an enduring mark on the world of tools and equipment. Established in 1843 by Frederick Stanley, Stanley Works, now Stanley Black & Decker, began as a modest hardware company. Frederick Stanley's crowning achievement was the Stanley Rule and Level Company, a revolutionary enterprise that transformed the tool industry with its precision hand tools and measuring instruments. Today, Stanley Black & Decker is renowned for its extensive array of hand and power tools, including tape measures, hammers, drills, and more. In 1924, Raymond DeWalt founded DeWalt Products Company, introducing the world's inaugural radial arm saw, an innovation that forever altered woodworking practices. DeWalt's unwavering commitment to innovation and quality propelled the company to the forefront of power tool manufacturing, earning it a reputation for durability, reliability, and performance. Andreas Stihl ushered in a new era of forestry practices with the establishment of Andreas Stihl AG & Company in 1926. His groundbreaking invention of the world's first gasoline-powered chainsaw revolutionized the industry, establishing Stihl as a global leader in outdoor power equipment. Today, Stihl's extensive product line includes chainsaws, trimmers, blowers, and other landscaping tools. S. Duncan Black and Alonzo G. Decker laid the foundation for a tool industry powerhouse when they founded Black & Decker in 1910. Their pioneering creation, the portable electric drill, sparked a revolution in home improvement and construction practices. Today, Black & Decker stands as a global leader, offering a comprehensive range of power tools, accessories, and home improvement products. Robert Bosch's journey began in 1886 with the inception of Bosch, initially focusing on electrical engineering and automotive parts. Bosch's seminal invention, the spark plug, revolutionized the automotive landscape. Presently, Bosch is synonymous with innovation, producing a diverse range of power tools, automotive parts, home appliances, and more, renowned for their innovation, quality, and reliability. Makita Corporation, founded in 1915 by Masaburo Makita, emerged as a humble repair shop in Japan. Masaburo's pioneering creation, the first rechargeable electric drill, reshaped the construction industry. Today, Makita stands as a global powerhouse in power tools, distinguished by their performance, durability, and innovative designs. In 1948, John Fluke Sr. established Fluke Corporation, initially focusing on electronic testing equipment. Fluke's groundbreaking introduction of the first digital multimeter revolutionized the electronics domain. Today, Fluke is a renowned leader in test and measurement tools, celebrated for their accuracy, reliability, and durability. Alfred Karcher's vision came to fruition in 1935 with the inception of Karcher, initially dedicated to heating system development. Alfred's pioneering creation, the first hot water high-pressure cleaner, revolutionized the cleaning sector. Presently, Karcher stands as a global leader in cleaning technology, renowned for innovative solutions catering to both domestic and commercial use. Valentine Tramontina laid the groundwork for Tramontina in 1911, initially specializing in kitchenware and utensils. Valentine's seminal creation, the first high-quality machete, transformed agricultural tools. Today, Tramontina boasts an extensive portfolio encompassing kitchenware, utensils, and agricultural tools, offering innovative solutions for both domestic and professional use. As we reflect on the contributions of these remarkable individuals and their enduring impact on the tool industry, we are reminded of the transformative power of human ingenuity and dedication. Here's to the pioneers who have shaped the world of tools and equipment, and to the boundless possibilities that lie ahead in the ever-evolving landscape of innovation.